Tate pale leola Iai uyaita Ualene tausimiona Tate pale leola
At this time, I just want to take this moment to thank everybody that came out today, who took time out of your day, because I know we all, we have busy schedules and stuff like that, but I just want to extend my gratitude and my thanks. We love you all. I may not know all of you, but I love you nonetheless, and thank you for coming out. Right here to my left, we have some refreshments. We have some donuts and popcorn. I also want to take this time to thank Tyrell's Angels. Thank you guys for everything that you offered. They helped out with the candles, and they bought water and some refreshments as well. I want to thank you. Thank you to Cindy. I'm not sure where Cindy is. She donated the popcorn in honor of Emma's auntie. Yeah, so we have refreshments right here to my left. Also at the table, if you haven't already signed, come sign. There's a donation box on Emma's table right to my left if you would like to make a donation towards her final expenses. But once again, I want to thank you guys. And before we close out in prayer, does everybody here have a cell phone? Can you put up your cell phones, please? Everybody that has a cell phone, we want to do... Oh, okay, sorry. Before we go into that, is Frida here? Frida wants to come up and say something. Frida!
Baby's mom.
Eleanor just already had